Hello, welcome. So if you run Facebook ads or Google ads or any kind of ads online, then you must implement tracking or web analytics on your website. So by this, you will get enough data to improve your ads and get good sales. So basically, to get good sales, you need to implement web analytics, and you need to see all the features or all the information your visitors do on your website. For that, you have to set up events on your website. So in this case, we will use Google Tag Manager, and in this video we will learn how to use element visibility and use this to get data or send data to our specific platform. So today we will learn how to set up contact form or how to track contact form submission and send this information to this Google Analytics account. So for that, we want to set up this. So at first, let's go to Google Tag Manager and learn what is element visibility. So for this, first go to variables, then click configure, scroll down and turn on these items by clicking on the tick mark. So we have configured a built-in features of Tag Manager by clicking click element, classes, ID, target and text. So now we have configured these built-in variables. Now at first, let's preview the Tag Manager and show you our website. So the preview took us to our website. Let's go contact. So we can check all the things here. So submit, test, click send. So we can see this is the built-in feature, so we will not use it. It is from Google Tag Manager itself, but we will not use that. So all our element visibility can be seen here because there is a trigger, but we will use it by other section. So no problem. uh, okay, no problem. So okay, click send. We have to select a captcha. Click submit. Nice. So we have submitted this form, and after submitting, this text arrived. So here is the main use of this element visibility. So after this text arrived, here we can use the element. This is a element and it is visible. So after this element is visible, we can use this information and send data. So how? So whenever we can successfully send a data to or successfully send submit this form, after doing this text will arrive. If I cannot submit a form, then it will not arrive. So that is how we can be sure that this form is submitted successfully. So now what to do, we just need to right click it, and up in, if you are in Chrome, then you can see inspect, or if you are in other browser, you can see this in the after right clicking. So inspect. So whenever we took our mouse on this text and right click, we can see these options. So what to do, after this is selected, so here in the selected area, click again, right click, then go to this option copy. So after that, you can see that copy selector options, so click copy selector. So now we are done successfully. So here is some element for trigger. So now we want to need a trigger setup. For that, go to your tag manager and trigger and click new. Click here, go to element visibility. So what is visible here? Here is visible a selector. We copied this. So this selector will only visible when this text arrive. So that is why this element visibility feature will be used to send data. For that, click here, and we copied a CSS selector. For that, click here. CSS selector we selected. Now paste the selector we just copied. That's it. So this is once per page, it will happen only once. Now how much percentage will be visible? So we will just use 20. So whenever uh, if a part of this text is visible, then it will fire. So this is good to use this number 20. So now we have done. Click save. Element visibility, contact for contact form. Name this as you want. So this is done perfectly. So now we have to set up a tag to send this data to Google Analytics. For that, click tags. Previously I set up Google tag and then with send page view event. So if you don't know how to set up Google tag or how to install Google Analytics on your website or anything, then you can visit my channel. There is a tutorial about it, so you can see how to create a Google Analytics account and how to install this on your website. Also you can check the tutorial of Google Tag Manager, how to install this on WooCommerce or Shopify website. So now let's go to new, click tag configuration. We want to send this data to Google Analytics. For that, click Google Analytics, then Google Analytics GA4 event. So here we have to provide a measurement ID. So what is measurement ID? If we go to admin of our Google Analytics account, and from here if we go to setup assistant, then click here and manage data streams, click web, copy this measurement ID, then come here again and paste it. So as we already set up a Google tag, we can see that it is this text Google tag found in this container. Anyway, so we have to name a uh, event. So this is a custom event, so let's write contact form underscore element visibility. So this is to check our tag is working to fine or not. Now triggering, when this trigger will happen. So we just created a trigger that is element visibility for contact form. So click here. So done. Now click save. Name is name this contact form submit element visibility. Perfect. So sometimes there is error comes, no problem. Reload this again. We have to set up this again, unfortunately, but no worries. We'll do it fast. Paste it. Okay. Name this contact form element visibility. Click save. Oh, we have to add trigger, the trigger we created. Click save. Perfect. So now click submit contact form submit. Click publish. So time to check our implementation. Let's go to admin, then scroll down and click debug view. Cross this, close this. We will do it again. Click preview, click connect. After pasting our website, definitely go to contact, input our website our information in the form test data. So check it what is happening here. So till now only the Google tag fired and AB pixel that is created earlier, no problem. So click send. So let's see what happened. Okay, we have to submit this captcha. traffic light, no problem. Perfect. This element just is visible, so check it. So we can see contact form element visibility fired. That means the submission of this form is perfectly tracked. Now let's go to analytics and check what happened here. So wait, boom, we can see that a contact form element visibility, this tag perfectly came to this Google Analytics. So you can name this as you want. You can just name is like contact form submission or contact form, that's it. So that this is how you can use element visibility, and also you can track this as you need. So that is how you will do tracking through element visibility. So that's all, thank you. And if you want to see this kind of tutorial more, you can subscribe. That's all, we will see you another video. Bye.